Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Just wanted to do a quick rant video because I was searching YouTube and I was coming across videos about Xbox Live Games with Gold. If you guys are unaware, this is a program that Xbox puts on basically as an incentive to get Xbox Live Gold. With this, every month they release certain titles that are free, not only on Xbox One, but also Xbox 360, as you can see in the image here. So basically, what I just want to do today is just kind of rant about like why this is complete garbage, and Xbox is kind of taking advantage of the consumer in this case. So if you're unaware, if you stay up to date with the titles that release, most of you will probably understand that like most of the titles that come out, no one's ever heard of, and they're like complete no-name games, and you didn't even know like these studios existed that created these games. A lot of these are like wicked small titles that no one's heard of. Like you'll go into GameStop, you'll search Amazon for Xbox games, none of these games will ever come up, and they do this on purpose, and I'm going to explain to you why. The first reason is no one plays these games, so Xbox wants to get these player bases up because no one's heard of them. Like they never advertise these games, they never do anything. There's no marketing for these games. This is the only way that they can get their games out there. So Xbox is like, okay, let's take these crappy games and put them in front of consumers with free games of gold, get their player bases up because no one's playing them. It's very common in business practices to try to like sell the products that aren't selling well. That's just common with major businesses. And the other thing is they don't want to put their best games out here to be free to play. I mean, it makes sense. Why would they want to make like Black Ops 4, Battlefield 5, Halo? Like, why would they put those games out there for free? Then no one would pay for it, right? It's free. And they're smart. They're very smart about this. They would never release these big titles as free because they could make more money off of them by charging full price for these popular titles. And they know that the demand is so high. And when demand's high, they can raise their prices. That's just how basic economics works. Because people are willing to pay for it. They're like marginal benefits greater than their marginal costs. In this case, making these games free is just trying to promote the stuff that doesn't sell. So guys, with that being said, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you learned something new. Don't get these games. If you like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications, do all that good stuff. Like the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.